The stock market, what you need to know. You can make better profits and investments by learning all you can regarding the stock market. Look into the history and any trends of a possible business you choose to invest into. The tips in this video will help you to make a profit when you invest in stocks. The phrase "keep it simple" applies to many things, including investing in the stock market. Trading, making predictions or examining data points should all be kept simple. If you would like to make the maximum amount of money from investing in the stock market, try to create a long-term plan. Try to set realistic goals in order to have more success in your endeavors. Never sell your stocks without giving each one time to generate profits. When considering a certain company, think about if you'd like to own the entire company. The businesses that have the best reputations and the most availability as far as purchasing their products or services are the most likely to do well in the stock market. Keep this in mind when selecting stocks. Prior to investing in a stock, you need to understand what a stock is. Otherwise, you could end up making crucial mistakes. A stock, also known as a share, basically entails a part of company. Therefore, when you buy a stock, you are buying a small part of a company. Understanding the stock market isn't something anyone can do in a single day. It takes time and lots of effort to start to learn how the market works. Make sure that you are dedicating enough time each day to expand your knowledge so that you can become better prepared to make sound investing decisions. Investing in the stock market requires patience and knowledge to be successful. You do not need a degree in finance to succeed, but you do need to know what you are doing. Keep the advice in this video in mind to help you increase your funds. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.